Draper Tools has an extensive range of expert quality brake pipe tools designed for any professional garage or workshop. The forming dies and punches are machined to a very high degree of accuracy, ensuring consistent and repeatable pipe flares, which are essential for modern braking systems. The Draper range includes pipe flaring kits that produce SAE convex, DIN convex and SAE double flares, covering a range of common sizes. The choice offers kits that can be used in a bench vise or even on brake lines still attached to vehicles. Also included in the range is a professional brake pipe straightener. This clever handheld device allows you to easily straighten coiled brake pipes before bending and flaring. Draper's brake pipe tool range covers every eventuality your garage or workshop needs.